Witajcie, Ziemianie! Dzisiaj znowu mierzymy się z iście kosmicznymi przygodami kosmicznego, aczkolwiek o ziemskim pochodzeniu człowieka, majora Sheparda, widma ludzkiego. Tyłek asystentki trainer zawsze podnosi mi morale, nie wiem czemu. Dabaju, znamy do roboty dziś! Wszyscy wiecie nie od dziś, że Mikołaj tępy miś. Coś tam. Dobra, przekaźnik masy, on by się przydał wszystkim, którzy chcą się odchudzić. Wiecie, masa, że przekaźnik masy, nie? Dobrze, nie. Nie otchłań dzierżby. Nie. Znowu mam wracać do laboratorium, noż po cholerę! Zbyście wolę walczyć niż przeszukiwać jego laboratorium w poszukiwaniu głowien! Ale dobra! Chyba, że mogę bezpośrednio tam dotrzeć. Szprat seksowny, kurteczka N7.
Hello? Anne? Are you here? Anne?
Oh, Commander. Yes, I'm sorry. Just... This is hard.
Of course. Are you all right?
Yes. No. I don't know. My father and I didn't leave things in a great state.
An argument?
Yes. It was trivial. A disagreement on how to file some of the specimens. I was mad about something else. I don't remember what. And I took it out on him. So stupid.
It's all right. I can come back.
No, please. I'm okay. Seeing all this again? He was so obsessed. Crazy sometimes.
I didn't get a chance to know him.
Oh, sometimes I felt the same way. He was a great man. A pioneer. But he could be distant. I felt like an inconvenience growing up.
You sound angry.
I was angry. Still am, I guess. But sometimes, he was so full of stories, he nearly burst. I loved that about him. It's why I signed up for this work. I can't believe he's gone.
We'll figure this out.
We have to. I need to know what's on the other end of that artifact. What he died for.
We need your help. You're our last chance.
You're right. Let me dig into my father's work to see what I can find.
Anne, you sure you're up for this?
Yes. When Leviathan took control of me, I remember being somewhere cold and dark. But my father taught me to never be afraid of the dark.
No taki wątek, powiem szczerze, niewesoły, no. Nawet nie można tu żadnego kulacznego dowcipu było rzucić, szczególnie. Dobrze, działają na emocjach. Tego mi trochę brakowało, oprócz oczywiście zakończenia, które jakie by nie było, to jednak emocje wyciskało z nas. Dobrze się dzieje, dobrze.
I'm still amazed your father got his hands on a piece of a Reaper.
He was so excited. Your claims validated years of work.
Did you take appropriate steps to prevent indoctrination?
Of course. It was completely shielded, and we all had regular psyche evals. But now, thanks to the artifact, I'm indoctrinated anyway, aren't I? Might as well be a Arachnite drone waiting for orders from the Queen.
Zastrzelmy ją, co? Dobra, nie.
You studied the Rachni?
I wrote my dissertation on them. My father thought it was a waste of time, but now it might actually help us understand Leviathan.
Królową uwolniłem, potem ją znowu uwolniłem. Lubię Rachni, lubię.
We think of the
Alienów trochę mi
There's really no
przypominają.
such thing. At short range, the queen uses pheromones to give orders. At long range, she uses an organic kind of quantum entanglement communicator. Whatever Leviathan does must be similar, entangling particles to stimulate neural activity. It uses the artifact to establish a connection, and then it controls the mind of anyone near it.
No to... Cóż... Mamy przesrane! Może kontrolować nasze umysły? Kosiarz się znalazł.
Detect any energy emissions from the artifact.
But the Reapers were able to use the artifact to trace Leviathan somehow.
My theory is that most of the time, the artifact simply acts as a receiver. We'll only be able to
Nie mogę
trace
się powstrzymać. Dobra. Och, tak. Strzelę w głowę, a może coś innego jednak? Sprawność byśmy dobustowali. Albo to. Czeko drużyny. Udźwig 35 punktów. Ciężki wybór, powiem szczerze. A weźmiemy amunicję. Pyk. No i okej. Dobra.
As it did on the asteroid.
Hey, Commander.
Right.
Need a hand?
Unless it needs
O,
something, Leviathan doesn't bother communicating.
cześć.
What brings you down
It
here,
and my
James?
father had something in common.
Heard you're closing in on the
You
Reaper
said
killer.
Leviathan's control was
Anything
similar
that can
to a
scare those
quantum
bastards has to be worth a look.
communicator, which is untraceable.
That's what I'm hoping.
Yes, but this isn't a natural QEC. Leviathan has to send a pulse through the artifact to alter your mind and create the quasi-QEC effect.
And that can be
Commander, you
traced.
see this thing?
Right.
This is
Just
great.
look at the dig site. The Reapers are tracing the signal by
Mi też się
activating
podoba.
the artifact. My father wanted to be at that dig site.
Anne, I know this is hard, but if there's anything more you can tell us.
I don't think there's anything more I can tell you. But maybe I can show you.
What are you saying?
The artifact only sends out a signal when Leviathan's controlling someone. So let it control me. You could trace the signal.
You mean let it take you over? That's too dangerous.
Najwyżej ją zastrzelimy.
It's my call, not yours. You said I'm your last chance to find this thing.
We have no idea what will happen.
If we wait, the Reapers will get to Leviathan first. I'm the only one here who's spent enough time with it to do this. You're looking for something to fight the Reapers, Commander. I'm looking for the monster that murdered my father.
O, Moby Dick
We
się
still
zaczyna
don't know
robić.
what we're looking for.
Motywy prywatne.
And let's find out.
Commander, this thing we're doing with Anne sounds dangerous as hell.
Noted. Edie?
Energy signature locked in. Waiting for activation.
No,
sure
raczej
about
nie
this?
polecam.
Yes. I'm sure.
I'm gonna be right here.
Okay. I'm ready.
James, drop the containment shield.
Shield is dropped.
Artifact online.
Anything?
Nothing yet. Wait. There's something. I feel a chill.
Edie?
No trace yet.
Holy hell!
Signal is tracking. Maintain connection.
Turn back. The darkness can't be breached.
Yo!
Maintain connection.
Listen to me. I found you, and the Reapers are right behind me.
You have brought them.
You are a threat.
So are you. I've seen what you can do. The war needs you.
There is no war. There is only the harvest.
Edie, do we have enough?
Partial lock. Maintain connection to narrow the search.
You heard her. We got enough. I'm hitting the shield.
Nie
Relay
podniesiesz,
that,
kolego.
Lieutenant.
Signal is fading. Maintain connection.
We can fight them. We can win this.
The cycle cannot be broken.
You're wrong.
Focusing the point of origin. Maintain connection to narrow the search.
I'm stopping this!
Sorry, ale nie.
Where are you? Where are you?
Beyond reach.
Trace complete.
James!
Got it! Okay. Yeah, we're good. Shit.
Anne? Anne, talk to me.
She's a mess.
Edie, did we get it?
We have a location.
O, żyje.
Hang in there.
Leviathan coordinates sent to the Normandy, Shepard.
I hope it was worth it.
It will be.
I'm taking her to Med Lab. See you back on the Normandy.
Podjąłem ryzyko i wygrałem. No, to jest biznes, to jest życie. Ale tam zaraz egoizm. No. Egoizm egoizmem, ale cel osiągnięty, no. Proszę państwa. Nie ma co się bawić. Nie wiem, co mnie tak cieszy. Nic tak nie cieszy jak seria z papaszy, nie? Dobra, Shepard. What we've got here? Nothing new. Dobra, lecimy. Nie ma czasu. Time to kick some Reaper's asses. Zip. Szukaj Leviatana. Bardzo chętnie. Lewiatan jest dość duży, powinniśmy znaleźć go raczej łatwo. Szukaj Lewiatana. Tak? O to mi chodzi. Kołyska Sigurda. Fajne są nazwy tych galaktyk.
I found something.
To ja znalazłem, nie ty, przypominam. O, taka troszkę ziemia.
These coordinates match our trace of Leviathan.
Landing. Gars, mój druhu? Może jednak nie. Może nie. O! Chcę ich przybliżać po prostu, żeby było... O! O! Dobra. Może weźmy sobie jego. O! Jamesa troszeczkę marginalizowałem, dajmy mu szansę się wykazać. Ja tam jestem zadowolony ze swojego wyposażenia. Ale przyjmę. Dobra. 7 punkcików chcę być dać, koleżanko. Ogólnie rozwojowo matrycę też. Oj, okej. James, mój kolego. To ci się przyda. szybciej pójdziemy w obrażenia, będziesz takim naszym pudzianem. Dobra! Lewiatanie, here I come.
Cortez, what's the status on the probe we launched?
Tracking it now, Commander. I've confirmed that Leviathan's signal originates from this planet. Heard how, Anne helped us locate it. It's pretty spooky stuff.
Never seen anything like it. Can't imagine what's waiting for us down there.
Dr. Bryson classified Leviathan as a Reaper killer. It appears it doesn't wish to be found.
It doesn't have a choice.
Fajnie wygląda.
We're here.
Idi w tej skórze
Sure,
taka.
but now what? Let's suppose it is a Reaper. Is that the kind of help we want?
Nobody says we have to be friends with it. But if this thing has the rest of the Reapers worried, then we need its help.
Commander, new readings from the probe. It's narrowed down Leviathan's location. You're not gonna like it.
Let's hear it.
There's nothing but ocean. I show a concentration of structures floating on the surface, but the probe's giving us a signal below that. Way below.
Underwater.
Looks that way.
Underwater.
The shuttle should still be able to reach it.
That's possible.
The Kodiak is spec'd to nearly 1,000 atmospheres, though I've never actually tested that.
Guess we're gonna find out.
Yep.
Status! Some kind of pulse hit us! Systems are shutting down!
Mi głowa zaswędziła. Ciul. Yeah. Nice one.
Everyone all right? A little banged up, but I'm good.
No!
Shuttle, Cortez.
Checking now.
Fajnie to wygląda.
Copy that. We'll look around.
It would seem others have been stranded here as well. We aren't the first to encounter that pulse.
O! Fajny. Taka celność niska. Mogę go modyfikować.
Could be Leviathan's last line of defense.
A, takie coś, okej. No, bierz to. On nie ostrzy.
Any idea how old these are?
To get bones that clean. Real old.
Ale fajna lokacja, naprawdę
Commander,
fajna. O,
looks like one of those artifacts.
atmosfera taka jest, no, mroczna. Ale fajne, fajne takie. Dość odmienne od tego, co widzieliśmy już wcześniej. Mocno odmienne. Następny.
I'm not recognizing any of those ships. They're ancient.
Starożytny oto tankowiec. Ojej, się poczułem staro. No, już nie przejdziemy. Dobra. Go back, go back.
Look, up there.
Here they come! Bastards were right on our tail! Protect the shuttle!
Fuck. Nie oddamy ziemi. Niezła spluwa.
Swapping out the parts, Commander. Hang on.
Affirmative.
Bardzo ładna kombinacja kolegi z koleżanką.
Cortez. Almost there, Commander.
No boję się, czuję marginalizowany. O, się źle skończy.
Out of development, Commander. Fixing it now.
Pieprzam już sam to widzę. Nie jestem odważny. Uff.
Cortez, I need that bird in the air.
Just a few seconds.
Ja? What the f...
Commander, on airborne.
Give us some cover fire.
Copy that.
Dawaj! Just to be sure.
Another pulse hit me. Flight control scrambled.
Damn it. Cortez is in trouble. Get to him. I'm on it.
Commander, I've got enemy contact. Under fire.
Już idę! O fuck.
Okay, we're clear.
Nice work, Commander.
No to
But
jest
there's
wiesz, chłopie.
development. We need to talk.
Status.
Shuttle's a mess, Commander. That pulse knocked it right out of the air. We're not going anywhere.
What about the Normandy? Joker could swing by.
Same thing would happen to her. And the landing won't be as pretty. I'd say Leviathan has some sort of defense system in place.
And we aren't getting out of here until we find it. So how do we do that?
Well, you might be able to use a mech. Looks like it's rigged for diving.
A diving mech?
It's a Triton model. Military grade, repurposed for deep sea exploration. As long as the seawater hasn't corroded, it should be good to go.
Well, if that's what we have to do, let's get started.
Mi się podoba.
Shepard, perhaps you are unaware of the degree of risk. Are we seriously proposing?
First, we'll need to restore power to get that cargo door open.
How?
There's your answer.
These old Ballard-class ships are equipped with exterior power sockets. They use them for emergency repairs. We can strip the cells from the shuttle and use those for juice. Hang on, I'll get you started. Got a cell for you, Commander. Find somewhere to plug that in.
Dawaj to. Zajebiste. No, Shepard. Shepard! Małpo. Dawaj, 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 dawaj.
Another power cell for you, Commander. Here they come! Grab another cell, Commander. We'll hold them off.
Dawaj, dawaj, bo nam tracimy zasilanie. Dawaj, 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 szybciej, szybciej, szybciej. Dawaj, dawaj!
Got another cell here.
No i tak ma być. Dawaj, 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 dawaj. No wierzę, że możecie mieć problemy.
Cargo doors are opening, Commander. That mech is all yours. It should still have weapons capability.
Naprawdę? Wow! O! Przednia zabawa. Akurat teraz tyle ich atakuje, no. Cześć, kolego. Bez jajków, chłopie.
Looks like we're in the clear now, Commander. Good. I need to get in the water before they come back. Roger that. Walk the mech back to me when you're ready to dive. I should check it over first.
Trochę wolny, ale... Nówka sztuka, nie śmigana.
Let's get you out of there and I'll do a systems check.
Whoa. Hey, Commander, are you really serious about this plan?
Nie tylko ty jesteś niedowierzający, chłopie.
Come too far to stop now. The way home is through Leviathan.
Okay, SEALs check out. Oxygen pressure is nominal. Systems are a go. It's as ready as I can make it.
Let's go.
I'm ready.
Take care down there, Commander.
Closing hatch.
Engaging systems. Ready.
Testing comlink.
I read you.
Here goes.
No, Shepard.
In 3, 2,
Głęboki wdech.
1.
Do końca myślałem, że to żart. I poszedł.
Looks good so far. Copy that. Cortez? Cortez!
fuck. No i siadł.
Not sure if you can read me up there. Looks like I finished the major descent. Can't see much from here. Suit is holding out. Emergency systems have come online. Life support operational. Scanner indicates the probe is below my position. Looking for a way down. Shutting down all non-critical systems to preserve remaining power. Not sure how
Ale
much
powiem
juice the
wam,
emergency thrust
to jest
will need
postęp,
to get back to the
naprawdę
surface.
fajny, ciekawy
Get ready for
dodatek.
that now.
Za takie coś można
Getting some
zapłacić te
strange readings from the probe.
30 parę złotych.
Something is definitely down there.
Tam coś jest. Plum.
Reading the probe directly below me. Looks like the final drop.
Żeby to nie był faktycznie ostatni spadek.
Can't see anything just
Statycznie.
yet. Found the probe. Seems intact. I'm gonna keep moving. What is that?
You have come too far.
I had to find you.
This is not your domain. You have breached the darkness.
You killed a Reaper. I need to know why.
They are the enemy. One that seeks our extermination.
But I thought you were a Reaper.
They are only echoes. We existed long before.
Then what are you?
Something more. Your mind belongs to me. Breathe.
Dan. What's happening?
Your memories give voice to our words. Your nature will be revealed to us. Accept this.
Dobra, kochani, wiem, że to jest się te skurwysyństwo przegrywać w takim momencie, ale zbudowaliśmy taki klimat, że można go tylko rozciągać i użynać w najgorszym możliwym momencie. Tak więc... do widzenia.